not find anything else, so I was using Google, Rachel Speech, and I found your videos on YouTube.
From YouTube. Okay, thank you. Hello, have a good day. Happy Chuk Constitution Day, October 1, 2025. And today we have visitor from Germany, one of my followers, and he's here today. He's here in Chuk, so I have to visit him, and then we'll see. Just follow what will be our conversation. They chose Rachel's beach, so they can really set up their, I don't know, that's why I'm excited. Let's see their activity here in Chuk. Okay, let's go and continue watching our video. Right now we're heading to Rachel's beach. Yeah, our schedule is like 11 to 6, we'll see. Our time now is 3:57, so 3 minutes more before 4 o'clock, so at least we have 1 hour. 1 hour is enough. That's too long. Again, happy Chuk Constitution Day to our Chukis friends. I think 1989. So that's good. I shared one video today live. They were celebrating this day at Anderson Field, and they also set up tent opposite to Shigeru store, and doing any activities. They displayed cultural, traditional pasties, local foods, and many more. Welcome to Chuk, sir, again.
Yeah, okay. Kuya, nice meeting
Kuya,
you in person now,
Kuya Novo.
because we just
But your
exchanged
real name
emails.
is?
Joe, but Heinz Josef. Pick, the last name is
So
Pick,
who's that one,
P-I-C-K.
Rolf?
Rolf is the team leader.
Oh,
he
that's
is
that team.
just
Okay.
on the break. He has break time
So
now.
we're the one communicating, right?
Yeah. You can meet in later on.
So how you found this place? Just say
It was
something
like
and
this.
then.
So our plan was to be active from Micronesia, and we were first looking for a place in Kosovo.
Okay.
But we didn't find a very good place, so we were looking here for Veno, and we were looking for a place where we can use our radio in direction Europe and Japan.
All right.
And USA. So we need a good coverage in direction north, and that's here. Yeah. So we were looking on the map, and we saw near to the airport Rachel's Beach, but nothing else. We did not find anything else. So I was using Google, Rachel's Beach, and I found your videos on YouTube.
From YouTube. Okay, thank you. Okay.
Yeah. So I was looking your videos, and because on Google you only saw when they were building it, because it's old. Yeah, but now we saw these nice buildings. And I contacted you because I needed a contact. Yeah, I needed.
So that's the time I came here.
Yeah,
and then I also went to different.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
So why you chose this location?
Because the takeoff to Europe. Because
Oh,
we have
okay.
only salt water in direction Europe. Yeah, so it's much better than on the south. Yeah, on the Blue Lagoon. We saw. So this is the perfect place.
Wow.
And that's therefore we did choose this.
Can you say something about like what's the purpose of this activity?
Yeah. So we are radio amateurs, so it's just a hobby, and we are making contacts to other radio amateurs on the world. And we are using these antennas, which you can see here, and we are using radios, and we are making contacts in voice, talking to the people, but also Morse code, the old Morse code, didi-da-da, did like this. And also digital transmission, automatically.
Kilo India 59.
That's Australia. Now he's contacting Australia, Victor Kilo.
Flag 73, Victor 6 Delta.
France.
Fox 5 Sugar, Italy Hotel 59.
France.
Merci, says Andreas Victor.
And we are trying to make as many contacts as possible. And of course, because we are from Europe, as many contacts possible to Europe as well. Yeah.
So thank you very much for that information. At least I have another learning. Okay.
So it
I
was
think
really good that I met you, that you have this YouTube channel, and that you could give me the contact information here to reach
today,
out.
thank you very much, my friends from Germany. Yep, Rananim. Again, happy Chuk Constitution Day, October 1, 2025. And Atstung Nerigabi, Medicine, my friends Chukis here in Chuk and also in mainland. Kapung Nerigabi. And yep, our activity today very successful. I met my friends and of course my contact person. Shout out Mr. Heinz from Germany. Yeah, and also to your companion. Shout out to all of you. Thank you for visiting Chuk. And I am also thankful to the owner. Thank you very much, Rachel's Beach, for taking care of our visitors from Germany. And to all viewers, Kirisu Chabur, friends, thank you, salamat, kalangan, kamagar, kulo, and until next time, Kirisu and bye-bye.